us, what's the process once, we know that we've got medical records that are documenting actually what's going on. What's the process? How do you help when it's time to actually submit that claim?
So typically there's a form that needs to be filled out by both parties. And depending on if the client themselves are going to be getting the reimbursement or if we take on the assigned beneficiary, that would determine the form. But they're collecting our insurance information, our tax identification, and then that's submitted. So depending on the policy, there may be an elimination period. And during that elimination period, it's very important for us to be able to record or for the client to record the care notes so that there's documentation of when that care started so that when that elimination period is met, the benefit can start being received.
And just a few minutes ago, too, Dwight, you talked about assignment of benefits. And we just kind of skimmed over that really quickly, but I think that's really important, specifically when we're talking about reimbursement. So really, there's two main types of ways that people can receive benefits: reimbursement or cash indemnity. And reimbursement is what most policies are today, which is you pay for your care costs and then you're reimbursed by the insurance company. Or if it's cash indemnity, the insurance company is just going to send you a check for whatever that, daily or monthly benefit is, regardless of care expenses. So what Dwight was talking about as far as an assignment of benefits goes is that, you might have the opportunity for the home care agency or even facility, if you're in a community, to be able to sign a piece of paper that says, I give authority and permission to this agency or facility to be able to do this on my behalf.
We'll take on that burden for you and we'll file the claim, we'll file for the reimbursements, and we'll take care of the care all in one so that it really takes out kind of all the legwork and all the frustrations. When we submit something and then they submit something and the insurance company is saying neither party has submitted anything, and it can add delay to reimbursements. And when a family's really counting on that to be able to keep their finances in order, we want to make sure that there's the least amount of delay there as possible. So we become the advocates at that.
An advocate. And that's exactly what you are. And that's what people need during this claims process and just during time of care, right? You want someone there to be able to advocate for your loved one.